How to find app usage time on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find app usage time on Android phone. First then just open settings and then scroll down, scroll until you find here this one, battery, and now scroll down and here we'll find battery usage. Now just select any app you want like WhatsApp, and here we'll find usage time, and that's it. It's easy. And that's how to find the app usage time on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.